Automatic layer battery chicken cage system for Ogun, Nigeria. Layer poultry farm from China factory. It is one of the first A-type layer battery chicken cage system installed in Ogun, Nigeria. The cage system is a healthy euthanizing treatment with Q235 granules, which is also the top quality material for the chicken cage system. The chicken cage system includes the chicken cage pot, auto drinking, auto feeding, and auto manual removal pot. Each shell is 15,000 pieces layer birds, a total of 3 rows. Each row 5,000 pieces layer birds. There is a total of 2 chicken shells, namely 30,000 pieces birds. The layer farm only requires 5 to 8 human labor for daily maintenance. The automatic feeding system delivers the feed from the silo to the gantry feeding pot, so that the feed can be distributed to the feed truck. It can reduce the waste of the feed and increase profit. Emir is one of the professional chicken cage suppliers in China for over 26 years. Our team has been installing chicken cage in Nigeria for over 8 years. With the help of market experience, we can offer you the best solution based on your land situation and country situation.